Ever wondered why some people walk into a room and instantly make everyone feel comfortable, without even trying? It's not because they're fake or overly confident. It's because they understand small psychological cues that make them naturally likable. And guess what? You can learn them too. In this video, we'll break down how to be instantly more likable, without pretending to be someone you're not. These are simple, genuine habits that anyone can develop. People love to feel seen and heard. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, ask follow-up questions that show real interest. For example, if someone says, "I just started a new job," don't just reply, "That's great." Ask, "Oh really? How's it going so far?" That one extra question signals that you care, and that makes you instantly more likable. You've probably heard of mirroring before, but most people get it wrong. It's not about copying someone's movements or speech. It's about matching their emotional tone. If someone is excited, share their excitement. If they're calm, speak softly and match their pace. This kind of emotional alignment makes people feel connected and understood. Names are powerful. When you use someone's name in conversation, not excessively, but naturally, it activates a part of their brain linked to recognition and trust. So instead of saying, "Nice talking to you," say, "Nice talking to you, Aisha." It feels more personal, more genuine. People connect through emotions, not perfection. If you're always acting like you've got everything figured out, you become harder to relate to. For instance, saying, "I was nervous before this meeting too," shows honesty. It creates comfort. It tells others, "You're human too." Share with someone who needs to hear this. This is Psych Lens, where we view every aspect of life through the lens of psychology.